till step 6. So now I am going to CO. This is target. Okay. Okay. So there are now I want to answer one question raised by 3-4 faculty member from the in the chat book. Okay. So many that is 3-4 faculty members have said, sir, give me an example. Okay. First, I want to tell you, show you the big picture. Tell you what are all the 18 steps are. Okay. And after that, I do not know whether time will permit, then we will do that entry also. The entry is my choice. Particularly criteria 3 is like doing yoga. Yoga, you can learn from YouTube. You will know the big picture how to do. But really, if you want to do a good yoga, then that trained yoga teacher should be present beside you. I think that is how I am understanding this COPO, mapping and attainment. So this example in my view, sir, madam, is that one of the person knowledgeable should be present in with you, then you should do that exercise. You should take one subject. You should start entering, and I will, or whomsoever the trainer can give their confirmation on the progress. I think that is the best way to do with an example. Again, quoting Albert, Franklin, scientist Franklin, is that if you do, you will remember. So I think we have to wait for that little bit more. I am available for you. Please remember that we'll have more discussion on physical level of doing this. We will do this. Yeah. Okay. So now I am coming to the step 6, which is same as doing PSO, PSO2. Like in step 5, I have included step 6 only for PSO 1 and 2. Now I am going into the target. Okay, sir, up till now, what is your understanding, sir? Is this all clear? Madams, what do you feel? Please put your chat. Only then I will go forward. So good to see many clear coming. Any queries also, please, sir, please. Okay, sir, now onwards from step 7, this fixing target is a work that should be done by your program. I am not telling your department. I am telling your program. Within your program, it should be the particular course handling faculty. So who fixes the target? The course handling faculty fixes the target, but can it be unilateral? Please do not do like that. Please have a process along with your department HOD. Then you have an internal quality assurance cell, so you can involve them also. Then department advisory committee, program advisory committee. So you can decide through with all of your people to fix this target. This is a very important aspect. Okay. So this is CO attainment. So that means it is course related activity. This also means that every course can have a target. So there can be one target for a course, then another target will be for another course. So in another word, all courses need not have the same target. Okay. So somebody is asking step 7, what to do for tier 1 college. That is that. I will answer that here. There was a minor change in this. Okay. So now first I will tell for tier 2. Okay. Then, sir, don't worry if you are in tier 2 going into tier 1, you will immediately be showing your NBA in tier 1. No, please. please, you will be in tier 2 up till the first batch clears. So assuming your college became tier 1 or autonomous in the year 1920, then you, for the next 4 years, you are only in tier 2 as far as NBA is concerned. In the year 23, your first batch will go. Then your tier 1 is 23, 24 will be the year onwards. Then you will become a tier 1 college. Okay. So don't worry. So if you are in tier 2 going into tier 1, we have to prepare SIR only for tier 2 only. If you are already in tier 1, then only you should worry about preparing for tier 1. Okay. So this is my average. I have taken an average. So what is the point here? I'm just touching it. So here it is. I'm filling it by yellow. Okay, green. Okay. So here you are telling average university percentage. So in the yellow, you see here, find or get average university percentage of pass for all courses. Here it is mark. You have to get the marks. Okay, if you don't get the mark, okay, so we can request Anna University. If Anna University is not giving the average mark, you can have your class average also. Then all you mathematics people, statistics people will say it is a very small sample size. Yes, it will become a small sample size. So that is why you should go for an average university mark. Okay. In another leeway I can give. I have seen in few colleges, which are tier 2 colleges in other states, they are taking 3-year average of their own college. So they are taking 3 years of average mark of their own college. So current academic year, -1, -2, then they are getting an average, and instead of average university percentage mark, they are going for their own average. So you can have, so that is the first part, the target part. Then if it is low correlation, I am getting over. So if it is a low correlation, okay, then you can go for, so I'm going into the next step. So you can have 60% of your students get more than average university percentage. Likewise for 3. You can always argue why it should be 50, why it should be 60, why it should be 70. Sir, it can be 50, 60, 70, 30, 40, 50, or it can be 70, 80, 90. Okay. So normally, so finally you are going to tell this to your management and tell to the expert committee. Okay. So now you are going with a very low, say 30, 40, 50. The experts say, may ask why you are having such a low attainment level. Why? Okay. Then why did I take 50, 60, 70? So this 50 is a good pass mark. So in all autonomous institution, 50 mark is considered a pass. So I have to get as 50. That's it. So that is the only logic. So pass mark is 50. So minimum I am getting is 50. But a person who is getting greater than 70, I am calling it high level of attainment. Okay. So now I am going into the next step, which is step 10. Sir, please give your comments. Why we need to take average of all courses? No. Madam, this is not average of all courses. So I'm going back. So one doubt raised. This is not for all courses. This is only for one course. CO attainment. So for only one course, I am fixing the target. The target can vary from course to course. I hope now it is clear. So I am going into step 8. So if you look at the step 8, Sir, can you see me properly? Yeah. So, sir, if it is clear, it's a mark. Somebody is asking. No, you can take the mark alone. You are looking for the, but you can take average. That is your logic. You can take the entire class average mark. You can take mistake. You want to bring more quality into the. You can take only for the please give your comments. Okay, so now I'm going for direct CO attainment. So yesterday, Dr. Bhaskar mentioned what is direct, indirect. Oh, audio is not clear, so I had some internet issue. Is it clear, sir? Audio?
Yes, sir. Reasonably better.
Disturbance. Okay, so this is only for direct CO attainment. I am again repeating. Some few esteemed teachers asked me, so I am again repeating. Step 8. Step 8 is only direct. What is direct? Your end semester examination. In direct itself, I am having two divisions. One is end semester examination, then comes the continuous assessment. As far as Anna University, since we are all affiliated to Anna University, I am dividing that into two different areas. Okay, so first I am calculating for end semester examination only. Sir, please put clear, audible so that I feel comfortable. All esteemed teachers, please.
Yeah,
please.
it's audible, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, here, if you see, sir, this is for one. This is for one course. As you can see here, I am doing that cell selection. It is for one course. Here also one course. So I am putting for academic. I am selecting a course number. Then I am selecting Anna University code. Then I am selecting a course name. So this is for one course, meaning which is
Bhaskar totally audio is not coming.
Hello.
Audio is partially okay, but I think there will be a bandwidth problem.
The roll number
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, Bhaskar sir interact பண்ணாரு.
Bhaskar ji, we are totally not audible.
Yes, sir. அவருக்கு ஒரு ஃபோன் பண்ணி சொல்லிடலாங்க சார். அவர் ஏதோ பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறார் தெரியாமன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Bhaskar sir, it's totally not audible, sir.
Yeah, sir. Now
better.
Again, I will share the screen. I will come to that. Yeah. Sir, is it audible now, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, here I am repeating step 8 again, sir. There was an internet connect problem. Sir, it is step 8 is for one course. Likewise, I will do for all the courses. Seringla? Is this clear, sir? So I need your suggestions.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. So I'm putting it here. Sir, 1 second, sir. I'm putting this chat, opening the chat. Yes, got it. Okay. So, sir, here, every course should have this kind of one Excel sheet. So name of the student is there, university grade is there. I'm because university gives only the grade. I'm converting it to marks. This is, you will ask so many questions. Now, how can I convert to mark? From the university grade, you take the midpoint. Okay, sir. So if the university grade says 59 to 69, you take 65 as the mid mark. Out of that 65, you subtract your internal mark, whatever you have given. So you will have the mark available or mark earned by the student in the end semester examination. Okay, sir. Is it clear, sir? Converted to mark. Sir, is it clear for everybody? Sir? Sir, is okay, sir? Kekda, sir?
Yeah, I paraphrase it, sir. So university grade, suppose if it is S grade 90 to 91 to 100, so midpoint is 95. So university grade is yes, and converted mark is 95.
Yes.
And that 95, you said we have to subtract the internal assessment. After that only we have to put here, or?
Yeah, after that only it is converted to marks.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
so,
sir.
University grade midpoint minus the internal assessment mark of the student, and that becomes the converted to converted mark of the students. Okay.
Yeah, after the internal. Okay, sir. So there one more column we can add also. So here I am doing one simple check. So as you can see here, this cell, it says greater than Anna University average. Okay. So I just put yes or no. And what is the Anna University average? It's only an Excel for that particular course. It's an Excel condition, sorry. So there you put sigma y, and all the sigma y, which is number of y, divided by number of students who wrote the examination. Please see this cell, sir. Then now get the attainment. So if I getting 55, then it is greater than 50. I'm going into back to my target. It is low 50%, medium 60%, and more means I will get 2 or I will get 3. That is how this, that is how this is calculated. Sir, is this clear at this stage, sir?
Yeah, partially clear, sir. Sir, this is for attaining.
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, Kumarji, one small clarification.
Please.
This yes or no is for university average mark, say 50%. Okay. If, that is for low. For medium, we have to put one more table or something like that.
No. Here, I have calculated the number of y. The number of y is, for example, okay, I will give an example, sir. Here I will write down number of y is, so my number of y is 30, okay, divided by number who wrote the examination is 60, then this is equal to 50, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, this is 50. I will get 50%, okay? 0.5. Okay, sir.
Yes.
So this is 50%. I will write as equal to 50%. Okay. So this is what I have achieved. Whereas now I'm going back to my target. So in my target, sir, remember this 50% is my number of yes. So I'm going to target. in this target, low means greater than 50. So I received 50, then my correlation is 1. Whereas here I am taking my number of students who have cleared is 45 divided by 60 equal to, it will come to 75%. So, sir, this is case number 2. Okay, sir, this is case number 2, 75. So now I am again going to end semester examination. It is strong correlation 3. Is it clear, sir, now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. So we will go into the step 8. So like that, I have to, if I get 50, then it is 1 correlation. If it is getting 70 and above, then it is 3 correlation. So strong correlation. Okay, sir. So that I will note down here, sir. Now it will be 1. It will be a simple number, 1 or 2 or 3. So 1 digit number alone will be the correlation, no decimal. Okay. Then it, yes, Dr. G. Balaji says, if we attain 65%, then it is 2 correlation or 3 correlation. The answer, Dr. Balaji, is what? 2, because it is greater than 60. Okay, sir. So now I am going into next step, which is step 9, which is the CO. CO direct